powered by Plascon. Today's handy heroes come from BUCO Kenton-on-Sea in the Eastern Cape.
We are a hardware store in Kenton-on-Sea, and we pride ourselves with great service, and we sell building materials, paint related materials and the odd recreational stock.
As soon as you get into the store, you feel welcome. We try and help all the contractors, the DIY people, and even your small contractors. We cater to everyone. We try and keep everything in stock so that if you need to do something, we've got that. So we try and appeal to every single one of them the best we can.
Plascon is the leader in the market. Being at the coast, it's tried and tested, and we've got a wide range of Plascon products in our store. Plascon speaks to quality. Plascon speaks to a great finish with longevity in the coastal areas.
My favorite Plascon product is Wall and All because it's an interior exterior paint. The spread rate is very nice, so it covers a lot more. So in matter of fact, you pay a lot less because it covers a lot more. So that's what makes it a very good product. The best advice that I've got is measure twice, cut once.
Begin with BUCO Kenton-on-Sea.
Today's handy heroes is powered by Plascon Wall and All. Unmatched dirt, stain, water and fade resistance to keep your walls beautiful for years. Plascon, together we've got this.